Your DNA is a massive instruction book. It has the recipe for you. But here's the twist. Just because every line is written doesn't mean every line will get read. That's where epigenetics comes in. The study of how environmental factors turn genes on or off without changing the DNA itself. Epigenetic changes are a lot like light switches. Exercise can keep them turned on or active. Stress can cause them to be silenced. And things like diet can cause them to turn on or off depending on the situation. Think back to our DNA story from earlier. Epigenetic changes are like sticky notes saying, highlight this paragraph or cross out this word. One mechanism of epigenetics is DNA methylation. That's when tiny chemical tags attach themselves to the DNA strand and they silence certain genes by making them unreadable. In other words, those parts of the story are never read. Another mechanism of epigenetics is histone modification. DNA is wrapped around proteins called histones, like thread around spools. If the histones squeeze tightly, it's like closing a book so the chapters are hidden. If the histones are squeezed loosely, it's like opening a book and highlighting certain passages. The third mechanism is non-coding RNAs. These tiny molecules work like an editor with red pen, crossing out gene sentences before they can be used. Together, these changes control how the story is told. Some lines are silenced and others are emphasized. Your DNA isn't your destiny. Every choice you make writes notes into your genetic story, notes that can echo for generations. The real question is, what story will you write?